Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to buy an Amazon gift card directly from Google Pay in 2025. This works great for sending gift or adding balance to your own Amazon account. Let's get started. So first open the Google Pay apps on your phone and make sure you are signing with your Google account and have a valid payment method linked like a debit card or credit card or bank account. So then go to gift card from the home screen, look for the explore and or business service sections depending on your version of the apps. The tap gift card, and this is where you will find all available e-gift card options. In the gift card sections, tap the search icon and type Amazon. Select Amazon gift card from the results. Make sure it's official and one with the Amazon logo. Then select the gift card amount you want. Usually you can pick a present amount like $50 and or $25 or $100. Then you can see this gift amount is there, or enter your own custom value. Then choose whether you are sending here your recipient email address record, and you can see this all the informations are given here, and then choose whether you are sending it to someone else or buying it for yourself. It if sending to someone's, either their email address and optional messages. Then tap buy or processed payment and select your payment method from your link card or account in Google Pay. Here you and select your payment method from your linked card or account in Google Pay. Confirm the payment. You may need to enter your phone locks code or use biometric to approve. If you bought it for yourself, you will get the Amazon gift card code instantly in the Google Pay app and via email. If you sent it someone else, they will receive an email with the code and instruction to redeem it on Amazon. So always double check the recipient email before sending, and Amazon gift will card purchase on Google Pay are usually non-refundable. You can redeem the code on amazon.com redeem or directly in your Amazon account under gift card balance. And that's it. You know how to buy an Amazon gift card from Google Pay in 2025. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel.